Okay, this is lesson 2.8, sequences and functions. All right, we are not going over the warm-ups. The only thing I'm going to say is, remember, this is x1, this is x2. So you have to put f of -1 equals -1 squared plus 2 times -1. And then f of 4 equals 4 squared plus 2 times 4. Remember, when you square anything in your calculator, please put it in parentheses. If you have questions, please feel free to come in and ask. Okay, sequence is a function defined on the set of numbers. Woohoo! I know what that means now. Yay. All right. So you look over here, you see this is S1, this is S2, this is S3. You do have this, by the way, your junior year when you have to take Algebra 2. So all I'm trying to do right now is give you the basics. Your junior year, you will take Algebra 2. You have to pass 4 years of math to graduate from high school. So here we go. All we're going to do right now is predict the next number. So 5, 8, 11, 14, what do you think the next number is? How did you get 17? Because they're going by threes, right? The pattern that we see increase by plus 3. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, increasing by 2, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yes, very good. Okay, so now we are going to have a formioli for this. So this is your A. Don't worry about A sub 1. This right here says that you... Who cares? I'll tell you right now. I don't care about this. This is how you increase from 2 to the next number to the next number is by this. I don't care about it. A sub n, see, this will be your first one. Okay? So 2 goes where A is. So I have 2 plus 3. What's 2 plus 3, kids? 5. So my first number in the sequence is 2. My next number is 5. And then I put 5 where A was. So I have 5 plus 3. And that is 8. So my next number is 8. And then I have 8 plus 3. And that is 11. So my last number is 11. That's 4. We're good to go. Okay? Okay, so we put our A, our 4 where the A is, and we have 5 times 4. What does 5 times 4 equal? 20. So our first number is 4. Our next number is 20. So then we have 5 times 20. What does that equal? 100. So our next number is 100. And then we have to go one more time. 5 times 100 is 500. Okay? Okay, so I would put -1 right here. And then you have to subtract 1. So you have 2 times -1 minus 1. -2 minus 1 is -3. So my first number is -1. My next number is -3. Please use your calculators. -2 minus 1 is not anything that you guys would ever tell me. It's -3. Okay, I paused it and I forgot where I left off, but there's the answer. So let's go to number 7. For number 7, you're going to put 5 right here with your A. Do not worry about this n minus 1 thing. Don't worry about it. So we're going to have 2 plus 5. So my first term is my first term is 5. My second term is 7. Then I go 2 plus 7. My third term is 9. Then I have 2 plus 9. My fourth term is 11. I'm done. Very simple. So easy a caveman can do it. So 8 and 9 are you. Here we go. We now have to write the formioli. So I'm going to look back here and see this right here. I now have to write this. So the first thing I need to know is, what is my A1? What does my A1 equal? 5. My A1 is 5. Your A1 is the first number in the sequence. That's 5. So now I look back here, and I have A of n equals whatever the formula is. So I don't care if you put A of n, but I'm going to put it. A of n equals, and what am I doing to the 5? I'm adding 3. So I don't write 5 here. I go A, and then I should write this little garbage right here, but I'm not going to look for that on the test. I don't care about that on the test. So all you really need to write is A plus 3, because that's what's happening, right? No, I don't care about that. They can do that their junior year. You can worry about that your junior year, kids. I'm just showing you this now. You start gaining an understanding of it, okay? So, number 11. What am I increasing by in number 11? So what is A sub 1 equal? Yes, it equals 4. A sub 1 is the first number in your sequence. So A sub n equals A plus 2, okay? So now we get over here. Now over here, we have to figure out which one of these formioles is the right one. There's a very easy way to do this. Because when you look at this, who knows what they're doing to these numbers? Because you could go, oh, wait, they're subtracting, what would that be? 5? But negative 2 to negative 12 is not subtracting 5. So look, all you have to do is plug 3 into here. Now, you can't just find the first one that works and say that's it. So this would be negative 3 plus 1. Is negative 3 plus 1 negative 2? Yes, but we don't stop there. We then go to the next one. Is negative 2 plus 1, is that negative 12? No, this is going to be 2 plus 1, which is 3. So that's not the correct one. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12, plus 10 is negative 2. So that works. Let's make sure it continues to work. Negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8, plus 10 is 18. That doesn't work. 3 plus 7 is not negative 2. So D has to be the right answer. Let's just make sure it works. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 8 is negative 2. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. And negative 4 minus 8 is negative 12. So that now works. That's what you're doing, kids. You plug it in for that. All right. If you have any questions, please feel free to come in and ask. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.